How to log in into TikTok account on PC. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into a TikTok account on your laptop. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, open up your preferred browser and in the search bar type in tiktok.com. Press enter in your keyboard and that's gonna take you to the official web page of TikTok. Now to log in, head over to top right corner. There you will find login button. Click on it. You will have this pop-up box in your interface where you can get various options to log in into your account. You can either use QR code, use the phone, email, username associated with account, or you can continue with other social media such as Facebook, Google, or with your Apple account. If you want to log in using your QR code, click on it. All you have to do is scan this QR code with your mobile's device camera, then confirm to log in or sign up. Or if you want to log in using your username, phone, or email, click on it. Then you have to enter the phone number right here. If you want to log in with a 6-digit code, you have to click on send code after you provide your mobile number, or if that does not work out for you, and if you want to log in using your password, click on login with password, then enter your password and phone number. Once done, click on login and you'll be logged into your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.